Atlantis, on at the 90.
Roger, on at the 90.
Lindsay now aligning himself and his orbiter with runway 15 at the Kennedy Space Center. Less than 2 minutes from touchdown.
Field site, Houston.
Atlantis, Houston, roger.
This view from the pilot point of view camera, the heads-up display camera, you're looking from the flight deck of Atlantis. This is the view that Commander Steve Lindsay and pilot Charlie Hobaugh are seeing from the camera on board the flight deck of Atlantis. Steve Lindsay will flare up the orbiter's nose a short time from now. Hobaugh will drop the landing gear. Atlantis will set down on runway 15 to complete this flight. Pre-flare and work. Landing gear down and locked. Main gear touchdown. Drag chute now being deployed. Nose gear touchdown. Atlantis rolling out on runway 15 at the Kennedy Space Center, wrapping up a 5.3 million mile mission to complete phase 2 of the assembly of the International Space Station.
We'll stop, Houston.
Atlantis, Houston, roger. That looked like an outstanding landing after an outstanding mission. Well done, Steve, to you and your crew. We'll meet you on page 5-3 for post-landing. We have no deltas.
Copy, we're going to 5-3.
Convenience, you've got to go to get out of your LESs.
Copy that, Gus, thanks.
Spacecraft communicator Gus Loria here in Mission Control, giving Commander Steve Lindsay and his crew the green light to climb out of their launch and entry suits now that they're 15 minutes past the successful touchdown of Atlantis at the Kennedy Space Center. Atlantis in great shape will be towed into the orbiter processing facility in the wee hours on Wednesday morning to be prepared for its next flight, which is scheduled for late February of next year to carry the S0 truss, a huge external truss structure, to the International Space Station.